Introducing integrated driver safety training in the PackageRoute mobile app. To access integrated safety, an authorized AO or BC can easily link your active fleet response account to PackageRoute. Drivers can track their safety course training and plan for future courses. View your own progress through summarized metrics at the top. See which courses are due and which are upcoming so you never forget. View all courses you need to take and launch them right from the app. AOs and BCs have a centralized place to reference training completion. No more chasing down drivers to complete required training. Keep your operation compliant and your indemnification liability lowest. Prevent drivers from clocking in or accessing their route manifest if they're behind on safety training. Compare completion across your operation for a specific course. You can also track the progress of individual drivers as well. Reference courses taken in the past to get a complete picture of your driver's progress. Quickly find the course you're looking for by category. Glance at your full list of drivers to see who requires your attention. Set DOT and license expiration dates so you get notifications when they're close to expiry. You can also set appropriate training levels for drivers. Have questions? Contact us through any of these channels. You'll always get the fastest response through text. Follow us on Facebook and join our ISP community. Thanks for watching. For more information and signups, visit PackageRoute.com.